Tingelingelingeling. Abonnentinnenwunsch. Schon vor längerer Zeit hat sich eine Abonnentin von mir das Lied Vincent von McLean gewünscht. Ein wunderschöner Song, den man nicht toppen kann, auf keinen Fall, so wie er den spielt, so wie er den singt. Da geht einem das Herz auf. Ich versuche das wenigstens mal, dieses Lied zu spielen und hoffe, dass es euch auch ein bisschen gefällt und vor allen Dingen meiner Abonnentin, die sich das gewünscht hat. Also jetzt geht's los, Vincent von McLean. Starry, starry night, paint your palettes blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day, with either now the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hills, scattered trees and the daffodils. Catch the breeze and the winter chills in colors on the snowy little land. And now I understand what you try to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that brightly blaze, swirling clouds and violet haze, deflected with the eyes of shiny blue, colors changing you, morning fields of amber grain, our weathered faces lined with pain, our fears beneath the archer's loving hand. And now I understand what you try to say to me, how you suffer for your sanity, how you try to set them free. Oh, they would not listen, they'd not know how. Perhaps they listen now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. And when our hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, portraits hung in empty halls, frames as on nameless walls, with either what the world can forget, like the strangers that you met. They wretched men in wretched clothes, the silver thorn of bloody rose, like crushed and broken on the virgin snow. And now I think I know what you try to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will.